Latest from Maharashtra, a week-long lockdown in Thane has really taken a toll on the availability of essential items in the city. In the outskirts of Mumbai, residents are struggling to buy their essential items as ration and grocery stores open only for a short time. So the residents who are facing a harrowing time now say that they are forced to move out of containment zones in order to get access to the very basic necessities of day-to-day life. And what they also, in fact, telling us is that they are forced to take this decision in order to survive and get essentials. Mirna visited 2 locations in Thane and found many essential item shops actually shut for long hours, creating massive inconvenience for the residents of Thane.
तो अभी कहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा? अभी मुलुंडी एक रास्ता है यहाँ के पूरा पब्लिक को, जो सुबह उठ के मुलुंडी जाते सामान लाने को।
सुबह को 5 बजे अगर सब्जी वाले लगाते 5:30 बजे आके उनको उठा देते तो फिर हम क्या लेने को जाएंगे। और नाले के आगे जाके देखो तो आगे सब मिलता है और इधर ही कुछ नहीं मिलता।
अभी अंदाजा तो नहीं पकड़ सकते। अभी पब्लिक भी जब भी ज़्यादा खुलता है तो रश होता है, रोज का रोज खुलेगा तो इतना रश नहीं होएगा। कहने का मतलब वही है। अभी हम लोग भी काम करते हैं, काम पे आने के टाइम सीधा बंद हो जाता है।
क्या तो मिल रहा है क्या नहीं?
भाजी वो मुलुंड साइड का इधर मिलता है, इधर तो कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है।
The Thane district collector decided to extend lockdown in the district and corporations that come under it by the respective municipal commissioners in Thane, which means that in many corporations of Thane the lockdown remains till July 19, as it was extended by another 7 days to bring down the rising number of corona cases. But amid this lockdown, people living in the containment areas of Thane are now complaining that they are not getting their essentials, which is the daily requirements of kitchen, which they require to be able to get their required food, like rice, dal, and many kirana stores continue to remain shut, which makes it an issue for them to get their essential requirements as far as making their food is concerned. Like we are reporting right now from Waghli Estate in Thane, which is a containment area, and if you can show you in front of our eyes, as soon as we entered, we saw the 2 general stores to remain closed. In fact, when we did a survey around the area, we found that 90% of the general stores and departmental stores are shut. People tell that they are hardly open. There is no fixed timing of when they will open. And if they open, obviously people crowd in great numbers to get their items, which makes the shop owners scared to keep the stores open. And also, under the pressure of the local cops and local authorities, they continue to remain shut.
हमको वक्त पे खाना नहीं मिलता है, चावल गेहूँ वगैरह ये, इसके अलावा तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए हमको। भाजी चाहिए, एटलीस्ट दिन में 2 घंटा 3 घंटा अगर चालू करके देवे लोगों के लिए तो भी चलेगा।
2-4 घंटे का टाइम हमारे पास ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 4 दिन का सामान है। कल हम डी मार्ट भी गए थे, उधर भी बंद था, डी मार्ट भी बंद था पूरा। और कोलचत का डी मार्ट गया था, वो बोला 7 से 11 बजे तक चालू रहेगा। उसमें भी लाइन कम से कम 150-200 लाइन रहता है, तो नंबर भी नहीं आता है, वापस आना पड़ता है।
लॉकडाउन गवर्नमेंट ने किया, ये अप्रिशिएट कि हम लोगों की सेफ्टी के लिए किया है, लेकिन हम लोगों को कुछ खाने को भी तो चाहिए। अब इसकी वजह से कितने, आपको देखिए कितने लोग बेरोजगार हो गए।
नहीं मिल रहा है दुकान में सामान, दुकान बंद है, दुकान में सामान नहीं मिल रहा है। दुकान बोलता है सामान लेने को जाओ तो बोलते हैं नहीं, बाद में आओ, ये उधर इधर का। और टाइम भी, वक्त भी मिलना चाहिए ना। घर से सुबह का टाइम है, शाम तक तो रखो ना, 5 बजे तक।
As we are reporting here from Vartak Nagar itself, we can show you how the departmental stores and the kirana stores are shut here itself. We're showing you how these shops have been shut because they are scared of the fact that it is a containment area. Second, they say that whenever they open up and if the crowd is seen, the local cops or the authorities come and ask them to shut it here. Definitely there's a lot of inconvenience and a lot of problem being caused to people because they claim that so many days of lockdown, almost 2 weeks now, is adding to their inconveniences, is adding to their woes because they are facing issues in stocking up the essentials like rice, grains, dal that is required on a daily basis. So this lockdown, which remains a method or a tool used by authorities to curb the rising cases, is actually also bringing a lot of inconvenience, a lot of disappointment to people as far as getting their daily essential stores, daily supplies is concerned. With video journalist Vijay, this is Neha Kulkarni for Mirror Now from Mumbai.
नहीं, एसेंशियल सर्विस बंद नहीं है, मेडिकल बंद नहीं है, दूध बंद नहीं है, ये सब सुविधा जो है ये शुरू है।
काफी जगहों पे ग्रोसरी डिपार्टमेंट
कहीं पर अगर दिक्कत होगी तो उसके ऊपर सहयोग किया जाएगा।